Welcome back to Ingua News. A group of Catholics submitted a memorandum to Ascendencia Goa protesting the removal of missionaries of Charity Mother Teresa Home from Panjim. The protest was backed by a signature campaign urging authorities to allow the home to continue its service.
Now today we have come here, we have gathered here because in solidarity with the missionaries of charity, because we have submitted a petition with all the signatures requesting the assistance of the Goa to do the repair work of the home and to recall the sisters, because they were doing a very wonderful job here for the poorest of the poor and the destitutes. Not only the migrants are destitute, sir, but we have also our Goans who are destitute and who need this home. And this is a home where it is without making any payment. It is free. And now the thing is that this home was purchased in 2000. It was assistance was established way back in 1910 by General Dr. Zé Maria da Costa Alves and Advocate Zé Maria Pereira and others like-minded philanthropists. And it was registered as a charitable society in 1976 under the Societies Registration Act 1860. And the main aims and objective of this Assistência Goa is to assist and take care of the poor and the destitute and the underprivileged society in general. That means it is with an intention for a charitable institution for the poor people. Now the thing is that when they could not manage this asylum that time till 1976, when Mother Teresa visited Goa, they requested her to take over this asylum and to manage it. So then there was this agreement signed, where here it is the agreement signed by Mother Teresa, where it is clearly said at para 1, confirming the talk I had with the managing committee today, I wish to convey to you that I am prepared to take over the home for the destitutes you are running in Panjim, provided it is handed over to us unconditionally until such time when we decide to discontinue our activities. And moreover, they were told that they will be given 1,000. This is the minutes of the record of the proceedings, where the managing committee resolved that the society will donate rupees 1,000 per month for the running of the home after the same is taken over by the missionaries of charity. Now we don't know whether this has been given. Now at the time of handing over, whatever may be the reason, they wanted them to sign that they are handing over the premises and the keys without any claim. Without any claim. I mean, they should not claim anything. So why this torture was done to the sisters? So this shows that at the time of handing over the keys and signing the handover, that they wanted that they will not claim anything. So this shows that they were being tortured from many years back, means maybe 2010 onwards. As you can see, the condition of the roof. They were called by the bishop house and they were told, questioned why they had it spoken like this. One of the sisters told me this. So I don't think that the bishop should interfere in this, but the bishop should interfere to bring them back if he's really for the service of the poor and not for land deals. Because church properties and the institutional properties cannot be sold at any cost, but it is getting sold to the land sharks from out. So the thing is that we are trying to save this place for the betterment of the poorest of the poor, because we have lot of Goans who are poor, who don't have a single meal also. And these are the sisters who used to donate lot of things. I mean to say, give rice, give milk, give food and everything. And it was accessible for all of us to come and donate something. I have, of my family, I've donated lot of things to them. Furniture and food items and everything. So it is close for us, since we are seeing that they are doing a human work, that all of us were coming forward to contribute. And we would have contributed for the repairs of the roof and little here and there cracks. See, if you don't maintain, naturally the cracks will increase. So if you repair it, then there are no cracks. And look at this in the city, this condition of the roof. Can't they repair? So my humble request is to the assistants to reconsider their decision and bring them back. Don't say that the sisters have decided on their own. There is pressure on them not to come back.
How do you know there's pressure?
I know because I heard from some sources.
जे पळय डोनेशन हें केल्लें डोनेट केल्लें ते एका स्पेसिफीक पर्पसाक तेंच वाशी आयलंड ह्यो स्पेसिफीक पर्पसाक दिल्लें आनी तें आयज तें दुसऱ्यांच्या हातीन पडलें आनी हें आयज भिरांत दिसता हें कमर्शलायज जावन अशें जावपाक म्हणून सो हितून जे डॉक्टर लोबोन पळय सांगलेले कोणेन आहा विथ फूल डिटेल्स तेचेर हें घेवन तेचेर हें कोचो आमचो मदर ट्रिजाक ओर त्यांनी खंयच्या दुसऱ्या संस्थाक हाडून जे पळय स्पेसिफीक पर्पसाक पळय दिला तेंच तेकाच उजार करचें आयज जायते घडटा आयज हो आतां एरिया पयशांक लागून मॉनिटरी गेनाक लागून कमर्शलायज करचो न्हू जो पर्पस आहा त्याच पर्पसाक दिल्लो पळय तेकाच यूज करचो
40 आमदार जे आहा पळय तांकां फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आसा तुमचे कडेन कॅपॅसिटी ना हें सेफगार्ड करपा लागून दीस इज एन आयडेंटिटी हांगासरल्यान कितलेशे लोक आहा पळय ते बरे जावन गेल्ले आसात. दुसरी गजाल म्हाका विचारपाक जाय की अशी कमी ऑर्गनायजेशनां आसा जे लोकांची काळजी घेता. पणजेन गिरेस्त आसूं शकता गरीब ना जावं शकता पणजेन पूण हें जें आसा पळय तो ऑल ओवर गोवाक लागून हांगासर बांदिल्लें त्या टायमाचेर डोनेट केल्लें एम आय रायट डोनेट केल्लें. सो गरीब गांवांनी गरीब आहा गांवांनी गरीब आसा जर तर ना न्हू कोण म्हणटा जाल्यार म्हाज्या वांगडा एक रायडाक येवपाक शकता हांव तुमकां दाखयतां केपें सांगे काणकोण खंयच्या वाड्याचेर जो आसा पळय इवन पेडणे ते सायडीन कितलेशे गरीब आसा आनी त्या गरिबांक लागून सेवा जे करपा लागून ऑर्गनायजेशन आहा तांकां सपोर्ट मेळपाक जाय पाठिंबो मेळपाक जाय. 150 करोड्स ते आशा धरून हे हांगासर हें करिनाका. सो ही वायट गजाल आसा सद्या प्रेझेंटली की सोशल वर्क करपी ऑर्गनायजेशन्स आसा इन्स्टिट्यूशन आसा थंय सुद्दां तुमचो दोळो आसा म्हळ्यार हें सगळ्यांच्या दुर्दैवाची गजाल आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता की हांगा इमिजिएटली सरकारान ज्या भाशेन सपोर्ट करपाक जाय तेंच्यांनी पावल दाखयचें पडटलें.
आय होप बिशप हेचेर एक्शन घेतलो आनी हें परत चालू जातलें आनी जावपाक जाय. कित्याक जाणा आमी फाटीं स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स म्हणून एक जो NGO आहा तो सगळे जे गरीब रस्त्याचेर बीन कोण आहा जेंकां कांय ना जेवण खाण मेळना तेंकां आपले कडेन व्हरून दवरता आनी तेंकां फॅसिलिटी दिता. तेचे कडेन एक्सेस लोक जावपाक लागलो तेचे कडेन जायना जालें आनी गव्हर्मेंट जो फंड्स ताका दिता न्हू तो ताका सारको टायमार मेळना जालो म्हणून आमी ताका सपोर्ट करपाक इवन चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन गेले आनी चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळोन आमी रिक्वेस्ट केली की तांकां हेल्प करपाचो म्हणून नाजाल्यार सरकारान टेक ओवर करपाचें म्हणून तें. पूण सरकारान डायरेक्ट हात वयर काडले ना रे बाबा म्हणलो तुमी करता ते तुमी बरे भशेन करा आमी तुमकां सपोर्ट करपाक रेडी आसा. दॅट मिन्स हें बंद जावपाक जायना हांगासर. कितें लोक आसा अशे खूब गरीब लोक आहा जेंकां फॅमिली सोडटा जे आपले रस्त्यार आसता जेंचे कडेन जायना ते लोकांक हांगासर आदार मेळटा आनी म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार तांकां हांगासर जो आदार मेळटा तो कंटिन्यू जावपाक जायो. आनी जे कोण हांगासर पळय कशें आहा गोंयान न्हू आतां हे एक व्हायरस लागलेलो आसा बिल्डर माफियाचो आनी हो व्हायरस इतलो फास्ट स्प्रेड जावपाक लागला ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमची जंगल नश्ट करपाक लागला पर्यावरण नश्ट करपाक लागला आनी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आयज तो लोकांच्या प्रॉपर्टीचेरूय येवपाक लागला. सो म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार आयज गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान सुद्दां हेचेर दखल घेवन कितें जे मिशनरीज ऑफ चॅरिटी आहा तांकां हांगासर न्याय दिवपाची गरज आसा. आनी एक सांगता तांकां न्याय दिया आमकां रस्त्याचेर येवंक लावनाका प्लीज.